In newer versions of Android, the clock widget is not directly accessible in some mobiles. In my case, my mobile is Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G and the Android version is 14. From last few months, the digital clock widget suddenly disappeared automatically from my mobile home screen. I was struggling to find out the clock widget to set in the home screen of my phone. But I was unable to find it. So for an alternative solution, I just downloaded a third-party application to show the digital clock, but that is not a solution, right? Finally, I found out solution. So let's see what is that. For that you have to long place in any empty area of your home screen and then the widget option will be available. Then click on the widget button and you will find out all the available widgets. But note that, here you cannot find out the default digital clock. So for that, click on the Android widgets and there you can find out the digital clock. Simply click on that, it will be available on your home screen. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.